To maintain letter sounds consistency across grade levels, please use the following rules. The number 1 rule, clip the sound. No b, k, d, but rather b, k, d. Letter R says r. Think of the sound you hear at the beginning of red. R does not say unless it is controlling a vowel, as in the words below. While AR most often says R and OR most often says OR, they both can say Teach 2 sounds for letter C, K and S. Teach 2 sounds for letter G, G and J. Teach 3 sounds for CH, Ch, K, Sh. For all 2 and 3 letter blends, we want to clip the sound. For R blends, there is no sound. Br, cr, dr, r, fr, str.